Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to enable dark mode on eBay. If you want to turn on the dark mode on your eBay application, first of all launch open the eBay app on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're in the home page, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on My eBay. Soon after you do that, you will see this kind of an interface where you'll need to tap on Settings at the bottom of the screen. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Appearance under General. Now click Always Dark Mode option, and this will enable dark mode on your eBay mobile app. Enabling dark mode can reduce eye strain, especially in low light conditions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more eBay tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.